Hello, welcome back. In our last video, we did look at the first part of the question under 2020 Mathematics Paper 2 Internal. Remember to subscribe, like, and follow our page on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, which is Radical Academy, to those that are new on this platform. Let us not waste much of your time. Let us go through and see what the question is saying. So this is the second part of the question, which is saying simplify. So this simplification is dealing with the process of algebra under factorization of difference of two squares. Under the question there, which is the denominator, which is this one, is a complex which can be factorized by difference of two squares. We maintain the numerator to be the same. Our concentration must only be on the denominator, which is the difference of two squares. How can we solve the difference of two squares? So the difference of two squares, it is solved by looking at the two terms that are given. The first term has been squared, which entails that even on the signs, you have two signs, one which is not visible and the other one which is visible. So the one which is visible here is our negative sign. The one which you cannot see and is invisible is the positive sign. So here we simply have a positive, which is not a visible sign. So this square is simply in telling us we need to look for a factor which we can square to give us back the one which is expressed there. How are we going to do that? Or which is that factor? So you all bear with me that the number which you can square to bring back the 1 is simply 1 itself. And we can write this as 1 square. After writing all this now means you separate all these terms, picking 1 each at a time. So here we are going to pick y. You also pick 1 sign, and on this factor here or term you pick 1. After picking the first part of the expression, you group using the brackets. Then the remaining part of the expression, you also group it under the brackets. Now this is your solution to that complex term, which we are calling the difference of two squares. This now you can replace under the denominator there. Okay, after writing like that, this is a process of division. We are dividing the numerator by the denominator. You simply look for what is common. Okay, so we have a y plus 1, which is our numerator, being divided by y plus 1 as well as y minus 1. So you only divide what is exactly the same or what can go into another expression without giving you any problem or any remainder. After dividing, you can now see that This expression is the one that can be divided into that expression, and this leaves a 1 on top, which is the numerator. And the down part, we have the denominator being left as y minus 1. And this ends your solution to the asked question. Thank you very much. Continue subscribing, liking, as well as following on our Facebook page, YouTube and TikTok, Radical Academy.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and this is a Radical Academy, and we are here to give you more understanding the fundamental of mathematics. So we don't only just teach mathematics, but also other subjects such as biology, science, and obviously other subjects that we are going to introduce in the coming few days. So with that being said, remember that for you to be able to catch our videos, simply subscribe and also follow us from YouTube, Facebook, as well as TikTok. So we see you again for more of these videos. Thank you so much, and we see you next.